Hello, friends. This is Rebecca Suerdieck with your next installment of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour. This week in 1905, the winter weather grew so cold that Jones Pond froze solid. Once word of this got out, people came from all over to go ice skating there. This week in 1913, the Palace Theater opened on the Palace Green near Bruton Parish Church. Big crowds filled the theater on opening night for a complimentary show and an address by Dr. Lyon Tyler from the college. The Palace Theater showcased silent films until it closed in 1929. This Glance at the Past has been brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, where hometown history comes alive, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck. Thanks for listening.